A helicopter carrying Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi and his foreign minister crashed on Sunday as it was crossing mountain terrain in Azerbaijan, an Iranian official told Reuters. The official said the lives of Raisi and Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian were at risk following the helicopter crash. "We are still hopeful, but information coming from the crash site is very concerning," said the official, speaking on condition of anonymity.
John Kirby stated that this helicopter was forced to make a rough landing on its way back. See live images of aid groups attempting to locate the president's helicopter. Note that we're in the process of receiving it. Several aid groups have rushed to the area and are currently searching for the crashed helicopter. As seen in the images, the adverse weather conditions and the presence of heavy fog have significantly hampered search operations in the region.
Ya bir işte cürekta, ben bir mesele, cürekta. Bir ekibi, bu da şey bize bağır.